The more you type on a keyboard, the greater you risk straining your wrists and fingers. Well, the good thing for you is it doesn't have to be that way anymore. Ergonomic keyboards are designed and manufactured to ensure your bones, muscles, and nerves stay relaxed in your longer working hours while constant typing. That's why today in this video, we will showcase the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards that will make typing easier.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic, an advanced keyboard made for professionals to reduce common strain while ensuring typing comfort. To alleviate your wrist pain, this keyboard is specially flat on the side and gradually rises towards the center so that your hands fit in the proper position naturally, followed by the stylish manta-ray design, which is an inspiration for users as it encourages natural postures. That sure eases longer work hours for you. On top of that, the cushion palm rest assures support for your wrist and lets you stay at ease as you should be while typing. Also, the separate number pad came as a blessing for those who want flexibility in the workspace whilst working with numbers. Weighing around 2 pounds and measuring 15 inches wide, this keyboard is easier for portability if you gotta type constantly on the go. Besides, an up to 10 feet wireless range is standard enough for cable-free typing. Therefore, for a standard keyboard that inspires your arms and wrists to stay strain-free with style, Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Desktop can be the answer. Next up at number 4, we have the Dygma Lab, a fully compact and customizable split keyboard that lets you make the best use of shortcuts. Dygma Lab has a split design, hand rests, and palm cushions. All these allow you to have maximum convenience dedicated to your typing. You can also boost your workflow by remapping any key and can create your own custom preset as well. Besides, its tenting kit offers extra ergonomics while improving your posture, reducing wrist pain, and helping you to keep your back straight. Also, Dygma Lab ensures durability with a double-coated anodized aluminum body and PBT double-shot keycaps for heavier and frequent use. Along with 8 thumb keys with hot swappable keys, the keyboard permits you to replace your switches in case your preference changes with time. To add more, the underglow and backlit of each key are customizable. You can highlight specific keys that are used frequently and make the keyboard look cooler. To sum things up, Dygma Lab is proven to be a customizable compact keyboard that pretty much covers every hard typing task one does. At number 3, we have the Kinesis Advantage 2, a contoured keyboard that allows you to get the max output while coding. Its concave key well is shaped like a bowl, so typing takes less effort and reduced finger extension while keeping your muscles relaxed. Keep your wrist straight and perpendicular as the design is convenient for your arm-to-shoulder ratio, making the constant coding hassle-free. To make sure the fingers are in their natural motion, the keys are arranged in vertical columns. Also, the keys are 20 degrees tented, so that your hands can be in a suitable position that decimates stress caused by forearm pronation. Advantage 2's integrated palm support reduces the extra bending of your wrist, so that you get the much-needed rest for your wrist when not actively typing. And the thumb cluster is equipped with frequently used keys like Enter, Space, Backspace so that your typing is well organized. Everything considered, for your hardcore programming or typing, Kinesis Advantage 2 can fit your needs. Coming at number 2, we have the Logitech Ergo, a wireless split keyboard that is designed to elevate typing experience which lessens trouble. Keep your hand and shoulder tension-free with the curved and split keyframe when you type. On top of that, rest your wrist in a premium way with the 3-layered pillow surface. Doesn't matter if you're sitting or standing, give your wrist a much-needed relief in a native way with the ergonomically designed tilt that can be adjustable from 0 to -7 degrees. Moreover, stay connected with updates with the attached notification bar. Create customizable shortcuts according to your preference and save it on the dedicated computer software. Last but not least, the Mac and Windows compatibility of Logitech Ergo assures convenient connectivity through USB receiver and even Bluetooth. If you're someone who is looking for ease in long hours of typing to get rid of all the hassles on your arm, then consider checking Logitech Ergo K860. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB, a keyboard that is specifically designed for gaming, so that your long nights of adventure remain strain-free. First of all, you can split this gaming keyboard up to 20 inches, which is massively feasible for MMO and RPG games that require more flexibility. This keyboard's detachable palm support comes with a premium cushioned palm pad, so that there is no room left for resting extravagantly. If you want to maximize typing comfort, all you gotta do is split the two modules to shoulder width and slide them a bit to ensure your wrist stays in a neutral position. This keyboard has 95 keys for complete customization, which allows you to set dedicated presets. And the 1 millisecond response rate is an added advantage for pro gamers. A dedicated USB port is required, and you're good to go with any device as this multi-platform enabled keyboard works with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB keyboard is a blessing for gamers who play extra long hours as there is no time for wrist pain anymore. So that was all about the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.